These words about the soul refer to Aristotle, the great philosopher who saw man as a unity. The soul is the first entelechy, the inner form of a body that has the ability to live. It is not separated from matter, but gives it movement, sensation, and intellect, leading life towards perfection. In the darkness of time, we ask for a breath to learn what governs the whole earth. The stagirite comes to bring us light and to give the secrets of the soul into our hands. The soul is not an enemy, a prisoner stranger within the mortal body that lives distantly. Form and matter are bound in a common orbit, like the wax that held the seal deep. This first completeness, the essence of the body, which gives the organic the living sacrifice. The mortal body had life by force, and she animated it, gave it purpose. Deep soul, powerful breath, the form of the body. In the essence of everything, you hold the occasion. Unbreakable unity, the foundation of the world, which begins from our crying and reaches to laughter. And the power begins low from the plants, which nourish and grow in the dense forests. The nourishing power determines birth and turns the wheel of existence in the world. Then life ascends to the wild animals, which run in the seas, in forests like silver. These have sensation, pain, and birth, moving in the wind, learned in fear. 5 senses become windows to the world, to see the sea, to smell the mint, hearing, sight, taste and touch, and a smell that leads to living food. But man stood out, he looks higher, because his mind within him prepares knowledge. His intellectual gift takes him to the stars, to grasp our truth with logical tools. He weaves thoughts and reflections in his head, to explain the small, to feel the big again. It judges right and wrong, it dissolves falsehood, and this divine power directs its fate. Deep soul, powerful breath, form of the body. In the essence of everything, you hold the occasion. Unbreakable unity, the foundation of the world, which begins with our crying and reaches to laughter. Thus the soul leads us from the simple to the divine, and the whole world becomes a great school. Plant, beast, and man, one chain only, which defeats death and surpasses time. And when the body is tired and becomes dust again, the philosopher's thought will still resonate, how our soul and matter had lived together before the great darkness extinguished everything. Deep soul, powerful breath, form of the body. In the essence of everything, you hold the cause. Unbreakable unity, the foundation of the world, which begins with our crying and reaches to laughter.